the decorator for our engagement. You know, it takes me so long to say our and not my. But it's my day, you just have to show up. Okay, so finished meeting with the decorator for our engagement. Mr. Paul Deepak was being very, very supportive and stayed in the car and just let me handle everything. Because like I mentioned to you guys that it's my duty. But right now we are going to go pick Oliver up. Now if you don't know who Oliver is, he is our little puppy, German Shepherd. Very naughty. Country actually. But we are going to pick him up now. And that's it. We don't have anything else to do today. But we are
from where?
picking him up from his training.
Didn't have to show me, but okay.
Sit your hair.
You didn't have to show me.
So he had to get trained because he is extremely naughty, and not just naughty, he's very destructive. Like he wants to destroy everything. So we had to send him for training, and now we're just going to pick him up. Of course, when he left for the training, he left like he just didn't know us. He was just happy. He goes off with anyone and everyone. So I'm hoping that he missed us and he'd be happy to see us. So once we reach the location, I will vlog from there. Bye. Oliver, say hi. Say hi. This is our little naughty boy Oliver, and we have to put him. Oliver, stop.
Oliver, no. Oliver.
How did he get this far? Yeah, so as I was saying before this boy interrupted me, is that he is extremely naughty, so we have to like tie him there so that he does not like hurt himself during the car ride
How about you?
or hurt me, because he loves, see, that's what he likes doing. Stop. Okay, stop. And he's big for his age. He's just 4 months old and he's big, so I have to just be careful with him. Oliver. Okay, fine.
Stay. Relax.
You see how naughty he is. Oliver. Sit.
Come here, Oliver.
We got
Sit.
him when he was like
Sit.
a very small puppy. If I can
Oliver,
find
sit.
a clip of him,
Sit.
I'll put a clip of him. But
Sit.
yeah, we had to send him for like training camp.
Sit.
For him to get trained,
Sit,
because
Oliver.
he's very naughty and
Don't
very
be excited.
destructive.
Come. Okay, come.
Yeah, so both Deepak and I, both of us are dog lovers, and we wanted to have a dog, and that's when we got him. Of course, he catfished us because when we got him, he was so sweet and so silent, and then he just turned out to be so naughty. It's just so difficult to deal with him now.
Why did you stop what you were doing?
I finished, that's why.
Okay.
So, today we were going to announce our date for our engagement. Do you want to say it? So mean.
What?
So mean. Are you crying because you're sad?
Gone. I'm out of the market. Gone case.
So do you
Yeah.
want to tell them when it is?
So, officially, we will be declared as unavailable.
You're unavailable even now.
Right, but officially, that's why I said officially. Officially, with the blessings of the families, we will be declared unavailable, unfortunately. Um,
For me, it's fortunately. I'm very happy. What can I say? Men are just like that.
just taking a dig at us men. They have no idea what we go through. So I would take this moment to ask all of you all to spend a minute in silence as we mourn the departure of singlehood, and we sadly welcome our togetherness forever, starting with the engagement, which is going to be on January
8th,
8th, on a Saturday,
2022.
2020. Oh, yeah, 2022. And yeah.
Men, I tell you. So yes, we are getting engaged on 8th of Jan. It was supposed to be earlier than that, but then venues are just booked, and I think it's a wedding season. We couldn't find any venue, so then we pushed it to Jan 8th, and that is when we are going to get engaged.
Yeah, we couldn't wait. In fact, we were just so happy that the families came together, and they decided that it was good for us to go ahead into holy matrimony. And after having mummy passing away, they thought it was best not to delay us settling down, and so the families, in fact, suggested, even before we decided, that we should walk towards marriage. And we are very happy. We're so glad that...
Really, are you?
Yes, jokes apart. We are very happy. I'm very happy that this is happening. And on the 8th of January, we're looking forward to it. We would love to have had all of y'all there, but unfortunately, due to COVID restraints and for safety purposes and various other reasons, we can't invite all of y'all. So
It's just not possible to have
yeah, it's
that
not
many
possible.
people.
But we know that y'all are there in heart with us, and we will try our best to make y'all a part of every moment that we will be sharing with each other, with all of you who desire to be a part of our event. We are really happy that we are walking towards this great change in our life, and I couldn't ask for a better person to do this with. Like I was saying before, even to her brothers, that there's a lot of prayer that went into this, and I found so much of peace, and along with God's peace, I found God's joy that came to me through her. She's been a blessing to me, and some of the things that I've been praying for came across to me like signs, and it was just laid on my heart with so much of happiness and joy. And I knew that she was the one and only.
Also because I'm fabulous.
Yeah, that also. So
Also, I'm just so like paranoid now. Oliver has come with so many ticks, but yeah. So we will of course show you guys our engagement card also that we got made, and we will do that maybe in our next vlog. But yeah, we just wanted to tell you guys that I mean, of course we wanted to announce it earlier, but then they had to tell their families, and I had to tell my family, extended family, and that's why we took some time, because it's not nice for them to get to know through.
basically, yeah, nobody knows the dates. I think her extended family know the dates. None of my family know. They're going to be super upset with me the minute they see this video, and then they find out that we are declaring to all of y'all the dates, but they don't know yet. But again, to all those family members who have a lot to say about me not telling y'all yet, it is because we want to do it in a very organized, systematic, and respectful way. So that's why we haven't.
You see
told yet.
what I do for you girls. Yeah, so as I was saying, I will show you guys
Invitation.
the invitation card. I will also take you guys for my makeup trial that will be happening next week. So yeah.
So I was saying that y'all all saw a glimpse of our proposal video, but there's an entire 13-minute long video in which every detail of the proposal, what happened before the proposal with her brothers and after, everything is there. So I will be posting that on my channel, maybe today or tomorrow, and we will also be talking about the proposal and how it went. So those are two videos y'all can look forward to.
I will leave the link to his channel and his Instagram in the description box. If you guys are interested in following him, you can follow him. That's it, no? Yeah, that's it. We have nothing else to say.
लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और कृपया प्यार बहुत दीजिए.
Yeah, and a lot of y'all were saying that I look tired and all of that. Of course, I look tired. We've been running around almost every day for something, so it's just a little tiring, but otherwise we are completely enjoying the process. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. I will meet you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye.
Bye.